If you want to permanently delete your Evernote account, this video will walk you through the full process, step by step, so you can close it properly and avoid getting stuck on any of the confirmation pages. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct account, because once the request is submitted and processed, you may not be able to recover the account the same way again. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the Evernote account that you want to delete. This part is important because you need to be inside the exact account you're trying to close. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings. Now you should be inside your Account Settings area. Look for the Account Summary or Account Status section. Depending on the layout Evernote is using, the wording may be slightly different, but the goal is to find the section where account closure options are listed. Once you've found it, click Close Account. This is the main step that starts the deletion process. After that, Evernote will show you a README page. Take a moment to review the information on this page carefully. This is where Evernote may explain what happens when your account is closed, including what data may be lost, and any important conditions you should know before continuing. When you're ready, click Next. On the next page, you'll usually see a Contact Info section. Here, verify your email address and enter any captcha if required. If Evernote asks for additional details, fill them in carefully and make sure everything is accurate. This step helps confirm that the request is coming from the account owner. Next, you'll reach the page where you need to choose your reason or request type. Look for the option that says something like, "I want to delete my account." Review the account details shown on the screen and make sure you really want to proceed. Once you're sure, click Next again. Now you'll land on the submission page. This is your final review step, so read everything carefully before sending the request. Make sure all the required boxes are checked, because Evernote may require you to confirm that you understand the consequences of closing the account. After everything is selected, click Submit to send your account closure request. At this point, Evernote may send you additional verification instructions to your email address. If that happens, open your inbox and follow those instructions exactly so the request can be completed. Sometimes this can include confirming your identity or approving the closure from an email link. And that's it. You've now gone through the process to permanently delete your Evernote account. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, app help, and account management guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.